am Preeti. Today I am discussing about the topic is data structure operations, and then mainly discuss about the data structure. In computer science, a data structure is a data organization, management and storage format that enables efficient access and modification. More preciously, a data structure is a collection of data values, the relationship among them, and the function or operation that can applies to the data. That is called data structure. Next, we'll discuss about the topic is operation on data structures. To the design of efficient data structure must take operation to be performed on the data structure into account. The most commonly used operations on data structure are broadly categorized. That is called the operation on data structure. Next, we'll discuss about the topic is types of operation. In this topic is there in operations on data structures. The create operation result in reserving memory for program element. This can be done by declaration statement. Creation of data structure may take place either during compile time or runtime. Main allocation functions of C language is used for creation. Mainly example for the create array data structure. Int a array must be initialized and store the data 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It is called creation of array. Next, we'll discuss about the function delete. Delete operation delete memory space allocated for specific data structure. Free function of a language is used to delete data structure. Delete is an operator that is used to destroy the array and non-array object which can or created new. Delete can be used by either using delete operator or delete function operator. Delete of operator. New operator is used for dynamic memory allocation, which puts variable on heap memory, which means delete operator reallocates memory from heap by memory from heap. Pointer to object is not destroyed because of value of memory block pointed by the pointer in destroyed. Next, we'll discuss about the topic is searching. Searching is the process of finding a given value position in a list of values. It decides whether a search key is present in the data or not. It is the algorithmic process of finding a particular item in a collection of items. It can be done on internal data structure or on external data structure. It finds the presence of desired data item in the list of data items. It may also find the locations of all elements that satisfy the certain conditions, thus called searching elements. Next, we'll discuss about the topic is types of searching. First will come sequential search, next will come binary search. I am discussing about the first will come sequential search. Sequential search is also called as a linear search. That means one by one will be search the element. Sequential search starts at the beginning of the list and checks the every element of the list. It is the basic and simple search algorithm. Sequential search compares the element with all the other elements given the list. If the element matched, it returns the value index, else it returns the -1. That's called sequential search. Next we'll come discuss about the topic example of the sequential search operations. Function search value. The initialize the function is value and target for loop where variable I is equal to 0, I less than value on length I incremented. If value I equals target, returns I close and then returns -1. Search the value 10, 5, 15, 20, 25, 35, 25. Call the function with array and number to the searched. Out will come like this. Enter the number of element in array 5. Array size is 5. Enter the 5 integers 20, 36, 46, 76 is also, and enter the number of search 46. 46 is a presence at location 4, and then we'll give the addition of search of another number 20. Enter the number to search 20. 20 is present at location first. That's like to come the output this program. Next we'll discuss about the topic is binary search. Binary search is used for searching an element in a sorted array. It is fast search algorithm with runtime and complexity of binary search works on a principle of divided and conquer. This searching technique looks for a particular element by comparing the middlemost element of the collections. It is useful when there are large number of elements in an array. The above array is sorted in ascending order. As we know, binary search is applied on sorted list only for fast searching. That is called binary search. Next we'll discuss about the topic is sorting. Sorting mainly discuss about this like sorting refers to operations or technique of arranging and rearranging sets of data in some specific order. A collection of records called a list, where every record has one or more fields. The field which contains a unique value for each record is termed as the key field. For example, a phone number directly can be through of a list of where each record has 3 fields: names of the person, address of the person, and their phone numbers. Being unique phone number can work as a key to locate any record in the list. Like sorting is the operation performed to arrange the records of the table or list in some order according to some specific order creations. Sorting is mainly performed according to some key values of each records. Sorting is a process of arranging all data items in the data structure in a particular order. Say for example either in ascending order or descending order. Thanks for listening.